Alright, hi guys, I'm just going to go through very quickly in this video what you actually need to do today, just so that there's not too much confusion. You need to go to your Unit 1-2 Biology Learning Materials, and then yours will look a little bit different, but course notes and Digital Delivery Day May 2016, and this folder for you will be yellow at this time. Now there's a few different things here. The first thing you need to do is go to the Photosynthesis Virtual Prac. This takes a little while to load for some people, and hopefully it doesn't take too long for you. Okay, what we've got here is a virtual prac. We have pondweed called Alodia in the test tube on the left here. And we have a light source here. And if I go to the instructions, I can see I've got my sample of pondweed. There's a ruler indicating the distance between our sample and the light. And at the very bottom, I've got a slider, and I can actually move the light source closer or further away. Okay, what you need to do is each individual person needs to pick 3 measurements. So I can move the light source to 10 centimeters away, 11, 12, and all the way up to 20. So you need to pick 3. I'm not fussed which 3, but hopefully if you all pick different ones, when we collate our results, then we'll get a variety there. To take your measurements, what you need to do is to pick your distance. So I'm going to say 160 millimeters. I'm going to say start. What you can see here is bubbles coming off the plant by photosynthesis. Alright, what you need to do is measure how fast the plant is photosynthesizing by measuring the bubble rate. So that can be done 2 different ways. Okay, it can be done using this beats per minute. So every time you see a bubble, 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 bubble. Okay, I would tap that, and you might want to tap that for a minute, and there's a clock up the top right there, until you get a bubbles per minute indicator. Okay, the other way you can do it is to use the counter. Okay, pick a time, and you can use the, I'm going to wait till that red hand on the clock gets to the 12. I'm going to count for 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and you would keep counting all the way through for 1 minute. Okay, then you would go back, pick another distance, and do the same thing. Write your results down as you go, because what you then need to do is come back to Neo, and you go to the Digital Delivery Day results spreadsheet. And this opens a Google spreadsheet where you can put in your results. So make sure that if you're in my class, you're on the 11 Bio 3 tab, and if you're in Miss Latham's class, it's 11 Bio 4. So you just pick the right tab. Okay, let's say that I am Beverly, and you just put in the number that you got for either beats per minute or counts per minute. So we did 16, and beats per minute from memory was something like 47. Okay, if you counted the full minutes, the full counts per minute, you could have done it that way. My hope is that everybody will do this and collate their results, and then at the end as a class together we can come back to collaborate, and we can discuss how to calculate the averages and draw some graphs from that data. Okay, so right now what you need to do is go back to Neo, have a go at doing that virtual prac for 3 different measurements, and then come back and put them in your spreadsheet. At any time if you get lost or confused, go back to collaborate and talk to your teacher in there. Your teacher will be there the full hour to help you out. Alright, good luck.